Want to know how to audition for Broadway shows? It's easier than you think. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for turning up and tuning in to my YouTube channel where I discuss everything to do with the business side of acting. My name is Islam Balba and I'm here to take you on my personal journey of moving from Egypt, Canada to New York to pursue acting. There are a few ways to audition for a Broadway show. You don't even need an agent. Step 1, get yourself into the AEA, Actors Equity Association Union. Not sure how? Got a video for that. Once you're part of the union, you can simply go to the AEA website where they post auditions every day, mainly in New York City. Check out my previous video on which city, New York or Los Angeles, would be a better fit for your acting career. Now, once you're a union member, go to the AEA website and on the left column, go to Casting Call and expand that to find two options, Audition Search and today's ETA sign-up. Clicking on Audition Search will give you all the auditions that are happening in the next few weeks. That way you can plan your time accordingly. If you're a last-minute person like myself and just want to know what auditions are for today, click on today's ETA sign-up. Either of them will give you the character's breakdown and where to go to audition. There are usually 3 New York locations for auditions, and they're all close to Times Square. You've got the AEA building, Pearl Studios, and Ripley Grier Studios. And usually the auditions are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a 1-hour lunch break. Since you're an AEA member, if you find a Broadway show you'd like to audition for, all you need to do is book a time slot through today's ETA sign-up link. However, in most cases, these time slots are booked within minutes. But don't panic, you can simply go there and put your name in something called an alternative list and then wait. What happens is someone called the audition monitor will call in around 6 actors who booked the time slot and then slide in around 2 actors on the out list who signed up the day off. So I'd say you could be waiting an hour or 2 hours max before going in. What you need to bring is your headshot and resume stapled together as well as your AEA card and give it to the audition monitor. There are usually one of 3 things they ask you to do on the audition. Either prepare a 1 to 2 minute monologue, or reading sides from a play, which is my favorite thing, or a 16-bar song if it's a musical. And there you have it. You just auditioned for a Broadway show. Simple. The pay is around $2,500 a week minimum. Now, my recommendation is don't limit yourself to just Broadway shows. There are also off-Broadway shows where they pay $300 to $1,500 a week minimum. Or regional shows, which are shows outside of New York City. They pay around the same amount, but the advantage here is they usually pay your accommodation and transportation. Rehearsals and performances are usually a couple of months. Now, let's say you're not part of the union. Don't despair. You can still audition for these shows, including Broadway shows, using the same process. Check out next week's video where I tell you where to go to find these auditions for both theater and film. Now, all you need to do as a non-union member is show up on the day of the audition and put your name on the wait list. And then when they go through all union members and there's still space, they'll call you. Be prepared, however, to go there early and wait the whole day. So get a laptop and do some work while you're at it. Sometimes it gets full and you don't get to audition that day. I'd say it's a 50-50 chance of that happening. And there you have it. All the ways you can audition for theater shows in the US. Please join me on this insane journey and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I can provide a lot more content on getting you on the big screen and stage. Thank you for listening and break a leg out there.